Today, I'm going to share with you companies that hire chat operators. These jobs are all 100% remote. All you need is a laptop and internet connection. You won't be showing your face, and you can make over $600 per week. With companies around the world hiring remote chat operators, there are endless possibilities. Whether you're supporting customers, managing social media, or working in tech support, these roles offer flexibility and decent pay. Here are some fantastic companies that hire chat operators worldwide, along with links so you can check them out right away. First up is Arise Virtual Solutions, which lets you work as an independent contractor, giving you control over your clients and schedule. Arise partners with major companies across industries like retail and travel, making it a great resume builder. Their hiring process includes an online application, assessments, and specific client training. Once you're set, you can make $600 to $800 a week, depending on your hours and seasonal demand. To maximize your earnings, watch for holiday roles that offer extra shifts and pay. Found this helpful so far? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more remote job tips. Another fantastic option is LiveWorld, ideal if you're a social media enthusiast. LiveWorld hires remote operators to moderate social media comments, engage with followers, and provide support to customers directly on platforms like Facebook and Twitter. You could earn around $500 to $700 a week based on hours and client needs. The hiring process includes a quick online form and some brief training. LiveWorld loves a warm, approachable style, so let your personality come through in your application. Then there's Site123, a popular website builder that also hires chat operators to assist customers with setup, customization, and tech issues. If you enjoy helping people and have a bit of tech know-how, Site123 could be a perfect fit. The hiring process is simple. Apply online, pass a skills test, and go through a training session. Once you're on board, you can make around $400 to $600 weekly. Showing familiarity with website design or content management can help you stand out and make a great impression on both clients and customers. Another solid option is SiteStaff Chat, which provides chat support for fields like healthcare, finance, and law. They're looking for professional, quick-thinking operators who can handle specialized queries with ease. Their application process involves an online form, skills assessments, and a short interview. Once hired, expect around $400 to $600 a week, with opportunities to pick up extra shifts for more. Even if you don't have industry-specific experience, doing a quick brush-up on terms in healthcare or finance can help you sound more knowledgeable and confident. For those who want a straightforward approach, Outplex is another option. They work with various clients, from small businesses to big brands, to provide customer service and tech support. You'll go through a brief application, skills test, and virtual interview. After training, you could make around $400 weekly with the chance to earn bonuses for high performance. Outplex values operators who are comfortable with their chat tools, so becoming efficient in their software is a big advantage. Now, let's talk about Working Solutions. Known for its virtual customer support solutions, Working Solutions hires independent contractors to handle a range of tasks, including chat support. Working Solutions partners with clients in industries like travel, retail, and energy, providing plenty of project diversity. Their hiring process includes an online application, assessments, and training specific to your project. Once you're on board, you could be earning between $500 to $750 a week, and even more if you're available for additional hours during busy times. Highlight any customer service experience and mention if you're bilingual. Working Solutions appreciates those skills and may even offer you higher-paying roles. For stability, Concentric is a fantastic choice. They hire remote chat operators for clients in industries like tech and travel, and they offer steady hours with competitive pay. The hiring process includes a few assessments and some paid training to get you familiar with their systems. Once you start, you can make $500 to $700 weekly, depending on hours. Concentric values any previous customer service experience, so make sure to emphasize that in your application for a better chance at higher-paying roles. If you enjoy variety, Mod Squad is great. Mod Squad hires operators for everything from community moderation to social media management and customer support across industries like gaming, tech, and e-commerce. Their hiring process is straightforward and includes a skills test, interview, and training. Earnings typically range around $500 a week, with additional pay if you're multilingual or willing to work on diverse projects. Pro tip: be active in Mod Squad's online community. Staying engaged can lead to better projects and even higher pay. Appen is another option, especially if you're interested in AI and tech. Appen hires remote chat operators and testers to evaluate chatbots, search engine results, and more. Pay is usually around $300 to $500 weekly, with chances to earn more by joining multiple projects. Be thorough in your assessments and meet their quality standards. Appen appreciates accurate, thoughtful feedback, which can lead to more project offers. Alorica is another well-known company providing customer support across healthcare, retail, and finance. Their hiring process includes an application, a skills test, and a short interview. Once hired, you can expect to make around $500 weekly, with opportunities for extra hours if you want. Alorica values operators who make customers feel understood, so focusing on empathy in your interactions can help you go far. The last company on my list is 5-Star Call Centers. They hire remote chat operators to answer customer questions, troubleshoot, and provide product support across different industries. They have a straightforward hiring process that includes an application, skills assessment, and some training. With pay around $400 to $600 a week, it's a great option if you want steady work. My advice? Keep your responses concise and friendly. Customers love a clear, quick answer that feels personable. These are some top companies hiring remote chat operators, from tech support to mental health services. If you're ready to apply, start with the links provided, and remember, each company has something unique to offer, so find the one that best suits your skills and interests. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money from home.